How to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone is a common issue that can be resolved with a few simple steps. To start, ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, as this can often resolve issues with missing media. First, check the recently deleted album in the Photos app, as any deleted photos or videos are stored here for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If the missing photos or videos are in this album, you can easily recover them by selecting the items you want to recover and tapping Recover. If the missing photos or videos are not in the recently deleted album, try checking the hidden album. Sometimes, photos or videos can be accidentally hidden, and this can make them appear as if they are missing. To check the hidden album, open the Photos app, tap on the Albums tab, and scroll down to the hidden album. If the missing photos or videos are still not found, try restarting your iPhone. This can often resolve issues with missing media by restarting the operating system and clearing out any temporary bugs. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the sleep-wake button until the power-off slider appears. Then slide it to the right to turn off your iPhone. Press and hold the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. Another option is to use iCloud to recover your missing photos or videos. If you have iCloud Photos enabled, your photos and videos are stored in iCloud and can be accessed from any device. To check if your missing photos or videos are stored in iCloud, go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and click on the Photos icon. If your missing photos or videos are here, you can download them to your iPhone. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try restoring your iPhone from a backup. If you have backed up your iPhone to iTunes or iCloud, you can restore your iPhone to a previous backup that includes the missing photos or videos. To restore your iPhone from a backup, go to Settings, tap on your name, then tap on iCloud, then tap on iCloud Backup, and select the backup you want to restore from. By following these steps, you should be able to fix missing photos or videos on your iPhone. Remember to always back up your iPhone regularly to prevent losing important data in the future.